All right, we are now in September, and the way this is looking, it could go one or two ways. Now, what I would prefer, obviously, is for the market to go higher, but I'm seeing some things now that I'm saying this could start leading to the pullback that we typically expect in September. September has typically been a down month. So we need to be prepared for that. And like I said, there's some things that I'm seeing now that I'm saying, okay, this might lead into it. So much so that it could even start as early as this week if we get confirmation of what I'm seeing. And that is going here to the daily time frame. If you look at the daily chart of the S&P 500, this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is a hilltop. Not only is a hilltop, but today's candlestick, so that was on Friday, today's candlestick confirmed that hilltop. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. So for that reason, I'm saying if price drop again, come tomorrow or Thursday, then I would say that drop for September has begun. If you look at this is what my concern is, and it's already on its way to the downside. Now I don't know what happened in the market that made the market drop like this today, but that's not good. That is a bearish setup. Does that make sense? That is definitely a bearish setup. And so what we have here now is, we had the price come down, come back up, and then it's beginning to do this. It's taking out all this right here. That is a sign of a stock that is ready. And so for that reason, yeah, see. So even if we go to the low over here, the low over here was $15,504.27. Let's go here and 27 cents. We put that right there. The close here today is lower. So this could literally lead into the drop for September. Here is the Dow itself. Another reason why I'm like, this is not good. Here we are with a hilltop as well. In addition to that, we have selling pressure, right? In addition to that, we have a bearish engulfing signal when we look at these two right here. So those are three bearish signals that occurred. Should not be happening if we're trying to go higher. So this is where I would say play stops, especially if you're in short position. If you already stopped out and you're thinking about jumping in, I would say hold off on jumping in into anything. These are not good signs. Basically, these are bearish signs. Let's put it that way. September tried to go higher, but then it came crumbling down, right? And then we bottomed in October. So this is where we bottomed in October, right there. We go over here. Here's the beginning of September, right? And then we bottomed in October, right there. Okay, that was a down drop right there. So we got to be prepared for that. Here we go over here, and the end of August, beginning of September. We went all the way to the end of September, rallied a little bit, came back down to the end of October before the market decided to start heading back up again. All right. But again, what you'll see is in every single one of these situations, once we started seeing the bearish signals that started appearing, and we got the confirmation of these bearish signals, then it was time for the market to drop. So here was the selling pressure on September 1st. Doji. This right here is these two right here was either a bearish right side candle or a bearish engulfing signal. Either way, that was your confirmation right there. If not, then this definitely was your confirmation. Market went down.